everyone. Thanks for joining to this YouTube channel and MPARR. If you're using MPARR, today I want to show to you the new feature that we added to the setup script. Happens that normally when you use the task scheduler and you have several tasks, here on the root, we can see several tasks and sometimes can be more complex to manage. In that order of idea, the new script create an MPARR folder and is used to put all the tasks. That is the default one, but we will see that we can reuse or use the default one. We call the MPARR Setup. The MPARR Setup is still the same with the menus. The only thing that change is when you select the option 3 to 7 to create the task. Now we can see all the folders available. The root one, Microsoft, MIP, and Mozilla. MIP was created on my environment previously. And by the way, if you create an empty folder, that empty folder will not show here. This script only show the folders that contain a previous task. In this case, I will try to use the existing one, and I will select the number 3 for Microsoft Information Protection, and we can show that the task was previously created. Here you can see the task was previously created. But let's use the default one. In this case, I am using the MPARR. The MPARR folder was created. I press very quick the enter button, but let me refresh. And now you can see here the MPARR folder exists. Now we can go to the number 4, the same. We can see the new folder that was created, MPARR. If we press enter, by default, the new task will be created here under MPARR folder. If you want to change the name of the folder, if you want to use another supporting as an example, now the next process is still the same, remain as the same, and we can check here that a new folder was created and call it supporting. And here we can find the new script. Now, let's see with the next one, 5. The new folder appear here. I want to put the new script over there. I will select the number 6. And I will maintain the rest of configuration. And now, if we refresh here, we can see the new activity, the new task on Task Scheduler in this supporting folder. That is the new capability available in our setup script. You can use the default. And please, if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us.